Welcome to our comparison of two innovative portable washing machines. Today, we will take a closer look at the Zenui portable washing machine and the DFJKJUU portable washing machine. Both of these compact machines are designed for convenience and efficiency, perfect for small living spaces or travel. Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. Let's start with capacity. The Zenui portable washing machine offers a capacity of 13 liters, making it suitable for small laundry loads such as baby clothes and underwear. On the other hand, the DFJKJUU portable washing machine boasts a larger capacity of 16 liters, allowing you to wash more items at once. This difference in capacity can be crucial if you frequently do laundry for multiple small items. Next, let's talk about features. The Zenui model does not include a spin dry function, which means you'll need to air dry your clothes after washing. In contrast, the DFJKJUU model comes with a removable spin dry basket, making it more convenient for users who want to quickly dry their clothes after washing. This added functionality can save you time and effort, especially in a busy household. Finally, let's compare the prices. The Zenui portable washing machine is priced at $57, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for a compact washing solution. In contrast, the DFJKJUU portable washing machine is available for $77. While it is slightly more expensive, the additional capacity and spin-dry feature may justify the higher price for some users. It's essential to consider your budget and specific needs when making a choice. In conclusion, both the Zenui and DFJKJUU portable washing machines offer unique advantages for users seeking portable laundry solutions. The Zenui is a great budget option with a compact design, while the DFJKJUU provides a larger capacity and the convenience of a spin-dry feature. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.